Most yoga teachers, in my experience, will have some form of shoulder pain. And the reasons why, I could go on forever, evolution and blah, blah, blah. I could bore you to death, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to give you a solution to the problem. So what I want you to do, oh fancy yoga teacher that you are, is I want you to improve or increase your shoulders tolerance. Because maybe all you've done is exceeded its current tolerance level. So you need to make it stronger. And we're going to do that specifically by doing this movement in Chaturanga. And before you think, yeah, I know what you're going to show me, I bet you it's not. So most teachers will tell you, and this is perfectly correct, by the way, to lower down as far as you feel the back of your arm is parallel to the floor. And again, that is absolutely fair. What I want to do though, however, is I want you to be able to have the strength to push back up again. So I want you to only go as far down as I want you to go down as far as you can still push back up. Okay. So if you go here, but can't push back up, I don't want you to go there. I only want you to go here if that means you can push back up without moving your spine. So if you watch me again, if I do this, this is faulty. Imagine a 6-year-old punching you in the belly, there, and then push back up. So go down. Can you push up? Yes. Take the punch and push up. There. If you can do that, then great. Now you need to just move a little bit slower. So that's it, nothing too fancy. All I want you to do is give your body a chance by improving your tolerance. Not only are you making your shoulder, well, specifically the anterior part, stronger, you're also making your triceps and your pectorals stronger, which will all just support your shoulders and just make you a little more durable. I offer mentorship for anatomy, teaching, strength training, whatever it is you can think of. I offer online CPDs and yoga teacher training. All you need to do is check out akramyoga.co.uk. I'll see you in the next video.